We start with the Minister of Tourism, Ed Bartlett, and for this one, we are going to need to travel back in time. Not far, just to about July of last year, 2025. The opposition raised a concern during the debate on the Jamaica Tourist Board bill. They said plainly that repealing the old Tourist Board Act was part of the government's plan to open the door to taxing Airbnb-style short-term rentals. The minister's response? Rubbish. That was his word.
The false suggestion that there is an intention to tax or to provide any kind of punitive measures against any sector and any subsector of the industry should be rubbish.
He said it was rubbish. Now, fast forward to last Tuesday, April 29, 2026, somewhere around 2 o'clock in the morning, and I want you to hold on to that detail, the 2 o'clock in the morning part. The government quietly pushed through new legislation slapping GCT on Airbnb-style short-term rental platforms, just like Nicodemus. The opposition called it, the minister said rubbish, and then, less than a year later, at 2 in the morning, the thing they said was rubbish became the law of the land. If that plan was always to tax Airbnb offerings, and the opposition identified that plan during the debate, and the minister called it rubbish, then one of two things is true. Either Minister Bartlett did not know what his own government was planning, or he knew and he told the Jamaican people it was rubbish anyway. Neither option is particularly reassuring, but one of them is significantly worse than the other. 2 in the morning, Jamaica.